Premiere Pro how to put object in the middle. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Many people search for this tutorial because they want to position logos, images, text, or graphics exactly in the center of a video frame. To begin this tutorial, open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Click New Project to start a new editing project and open the Project Setup window. In the Project Name field, type the name of your project or file, for example Premiere Pro how to put object in the middle, so it is easy to recognize later. After naming the project, choose the file location where you want to save the project on your computer so that all related files are stored in the correct folder. Once everything is set, click Create to open the project workspace and access the Premiere Pro editing interface. Next, drag the media clip onto the timeline to create a new sequence or place the clip into an existing one. This clip will act as the main background or base footage for your project. After the clip appears on the timeline, click File from the top menu to import the object that you want to place in the middle of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Import to open the file browser window. Choose the object you want to add, then click Open to import it into the project panel. Once the object has been imported successfully, drag the object from the project panel into the timeline and place it above the background clip so it appears as a separate layer. Now select the object layer on the timeline to make sure you are editing the correct element. Go to the Effect Controls panel, where you can adjust the motion and transformation settings of the selected object. In this panel, locate the Motion section and click the drop-down icon to expand the available settings. In the Position setting, adjust the X value according to your needs to move the object horizontally across the frame. Then adjust the Y value to move the object vertically until it is positioned exactly where you want it on the screen. You can also drag the object directly inside the program monitor to reposition it visually according to your preference. Alternatively, if you want to quickly return the object to the default centered position, click the Reset Effect icon next to the Motion section.